All right, time to take a look at the Jbonest Air Duster. Okay, so we got a little pouch. Oh, that's interesting. Actually gave us a little nylon detail brush. We have our brush nozzle, so if I want to get a little friction on that dusting. We got a USB-A to USB-C cable. We got a long nozzle, so this is the most common nozzle that you use. We got a mini detailing brush. We got our reducer nozzles. We got a large detailing brush. We got our short nozzle. And this is the duster. So they did put a cap on here, so I don't have to worry about this thing turning on in shipment. Cool. So it does have 3 speeds. It does have a light on the front, and I do like most of these you have to press and hold it for 3 seconds, but this one you just press it and it turns on. That's the way that they should be. So I'm just going to push this in. That's good. So it's a nice tight fit. I don't have to worry about that thing falling out. It does actually push quite a bit of air, even at level 1. Yeah, I am genuinely surprised by that. That is a very high quality little duster. I've been playing with a lot of different dusters lately, and so far, right now, this one is my favorite. Just the fact that I got that press to turn on and I have to like sit there and hold it. It's not screechingly loud, and it pushes a lot of air. So yeah, overall, I am very happy with that.